Welcome to Static Keyword. Share data across all objects. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Without static, each object has its own copy of data, making sharing impossible. How do we share data across objects? Each object has separate data, cannot share common values. Memory wasted on duplicates. Static creates class-level members, shared by all instances. How is static keyword used in the real world? Utility classes. Group helper methods together. Global constants. Define shared configuration values. Counter variables. Track instances across objects. Static keyword powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without static keyword? Sharing data across objects requires manual coordination. Look at how messy the code gets. Each object has separate count, no shared state across instances, manual tracking required. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution, static keyword. Look how clean the code is now. Shared across all instances. Memory efficient, no object needed. Compare the difference. And that is why we use static keyword. Let's see how to implement static keyword in code. Here is the implementation. Static variable. Shared across all instances. Constructor. Increments shared count. Static method. Can be called without object. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is a static variable shared among? Which one is correct? The correct answer is static variables belong to the class, not instances. Can a static method access instance variables? Which one is correct? The correct answer is static methods exist without an instance. What is printed? Which one is correct? The correct answer is static count increments for each new object. Which statement about static blocks is true? Which one is correct? The correct answer is static blocks execute once when class loads. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.